Okay, so I know it's been a minute since I made a video from Vegas. So today I will be putting on my side skirts. Ow, fuck, see? Catching ankles out here, dude. Alright, my side skirts, they're in there. Also, ignore this, I got attacked by sprinklers. But shout out to Street Arrow for sending these to me. Best sponsors ever. So yeah, I'm with Lance. He's gonna try and move the GTR out of the driveway so we can get started. So yeah, exciting.
You can't break my code. You can't break my code. Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code.
He made it. Now we gotta put this. Damn, literally baby shark, dude, in here. Oh, apparently my underglow is blocking where I should be putting the side skirt. So I might end up taking it off and super gluing it back over freaking side skirts. Last solo. This is GTR. Yeah, he's helped with a lot of my parts, so good to have friends that know what they're doing.
Bitch, you talk too much. I'm slow. Tell me what's the rush.
Find of this side skirt. Originally we were gonna have it stick out maybe like another inch, and he had a brilliant idea of lining it up with my front splitter, because if you look on the side it kind of lines up together. You don't want that shit looking weird, you feel? Anyways, but yeah. Also, my car got attacked by sprinklers. Yeah. So we're gonna go do the other side now.
X-Men got deleted. Other half, you're my better half. I got hella rap on the sneakers. Hella tracks, I got hella raps. I might fuck around and go leak 'em. Living better, she can get whatever, baby. Put it all on a visa. On the go when I'm getting dough, nigga. Get a slice of the pizza. You ain't shit, you ain't bitch shit, nigga. Stop trying to get a feature.
Come on.
Okay, so this is the finished product. So we put his spacers from the GTR on here. We put 15 mil in the front, 20 in the back, and it definitely made a huge difference. Then of course we have the side skirt, the biggest problem of the day. Yeah. Other side as well. Thank you.